Hoi allemaal, welkom terug op mijn kanaal. Here we are, dus, vandaag or vandaag. We are going into tutorial number 11 of the palette focus of the Natasha Denona gold palette. The past 10 tutorials have been really amazing and eye-opening about this palette, but I actually want to get into more smoky looks. And I think today I figured, why not, without further ado, we start off with Python. And that is going to be the smoky. So I'm gonna go ahead and prep my eyes with the Pro Filter eyeshadow primer from Fenty Beauty. And thank goodness I have two more because this is starting to run low. But we'll go ahead and do this old school. And we are going to wing it, just wing it. Yeah, so quite a bit of tutorials with this one. I am quite surprised we got this far because there was a moment there I was getting a little uninspired because everything just started to look a little redundant. But for the most part, we must continue on. We must prevail on. And I'm trying to get all of this done within the next week, all the tutorials, so I can start editing the little video clips and start on my new palette focus for 2025. But next week I am going on vacation for like 2 weeks, which I'm so excited. We are going to Greece. It's much needed vacation, very much needed vacation. But for the most part, we are prepping the eyes. Now that the eyes are prepped, I think for 2025 I will start going into more of these Becca palettes that I still have. I mean, Becca is it's such a shame that they had to close down. But I completely forgot I also had the Chrissy Teigen palette by Becca. Like, amazing stuff. And I completely forgot I had this. Who remembers this? The NARS, was that High Voltage? 1977, let's see here. 1977 Fort de France and Queen highlighters. And what are these? 4.6 grams each. That is a lot of highlighters, to be quite honest. But yeah, for the most part, we will be doing a lot more Becca this year. Like, I want to get Hourglass. I'm very, very tempted to get the, what do you call it? I think it's the Evil Eye Holiday Edit Light palette this year. But I kind of feel like these made in Italy? These are made in Italy. I did not know that. So the formula from Hourglass is also made in Italy, and they're kind of like baked, I guess. So I'm very curious. How many grams? 12, 3, 6, 9, 12. So these are 3 grams each. These are amazing. But like I said, you may see those pop up or not, but we shall see. So first and foremost, we will go into Cava. Because I want this to, do I want Cava? Yeah, Cava. That's going to be more of the brow highlight. I want to see how this does with the green and this teal green. Because this is a sparkling shade. And this one has more of a deeper base compared to Sparks. See that subtle pitchingness going on here? That is really nice, actually. So that is Cava. I should have shaved my face today, but I'm just too tired. I just got back from the gym and I'm like a lot of energy right now. Anyways, that is Cava. Now let us go into Python. This cream to powder. And we are going to just go ahead and do this first. Oh, already that's popping my eye color. I'm digging this. This is very dramatic and I'm here for it all. I'm trying to think, I don't even think I have a color like this in any other palettes, but this is definitely a must, in my opinion, to have. If this could be a single eyeshadow, that would be amazing. Perfect. God, this brings back memories of when I first started doing makeup, like 20 years ago. I was working at Macy's at the Shishido counter, Shiseido, and bless this old lady. She was like in her 60s, 70s. She sat down. She's like, you need to practice, son. So go ahead and do whatever you want on me. I went straight up black eyeshadow and I did a smoky look on her. Bless her soul. And she walked out with it on still. So that is how I started my process. Perfect. So from here, this is what we do. And then going in with the fluffy brush, just to really buff out those edges. Because it's all about layering. Apply, buff out. Apply, buff out. Apply, buff out. Because who doesn't like a good smoky moment? And if you have hooded eyes like me, when in doubt, smoke it out, always. Especially if you're in a hurry. Oh my gosh, this is amazing. The pigmentation, the color payoff. And I'm just using my fingers to buff it against right on my orbital bone, I guess you could say. Orbital bone. Oh yes. I'm going with a fluffier brush. Let's go with this one to really fluff that out. And this color is tantalizing, might I say. Might I add, say, whatever. Then I'm going in with this kind of brush. Right along here to meet up with the outskirts. And then for my waterline, it will be Pat McGrath Permagel and Extreme Black to give a little punch to the eye. And this is literally it for this look. Oh, it's been a while. Okay, there we go. We're back. It's been a while. But tutorial number 11. The next few tutorials are literally going to be like this, so. Of course, typically I'm always using tape, but I figured why not we do it old school and just feel it out. Look at that. Look at that. Oh my. My. Do I want to put anything in the corner? No. Let's go and bring it down. And this is like a classic smoky look, basically. I don't know, there's just something about a good old smoky smokes. Just poke my eye, smokiness going on. Oh my God, I poked my eye. Whoo! Damn. Oh, that is coming out actually. Ooh. All right, and the Permagel. Let me make sure I get the black off. And I love the holiday sets that literally just come with a liner, a red lip, and like mascara. Because those are a good classic smokiness, especially with the liner. Smoke it out. Ooh, it's coming off. It's coming off. There we go. But yeah, good classic smoky eye right here for y'all. Like these type of looks always remind me of like the Vixen and James Bond or something, where they always just have a very smoky, very beautiful base looking Mr. Bond. You know, like, what was it, Octopussy from back in the day? Oh yeah, that is it. And then we'll just go in and just start buffing everything out. So, good old smoky eye for you guys. Very, very classic. And this is like one type of look that never goes out of style, so. But for holiday this year, I was thinking of maybe dipping back into NARS, but they have the Laguna set, face and eye sets, which are really, really nice. Gotta love NARS and their Laguna, and also their Overdose of Orgasm, but it's one of those colors. I will never forget when they first came out. I was working in Sephora in Texas, and oh my word, did it create a frenzy. I wish I had Orgasm, because I think that would be a beautiful blush for this look. Something very subtle, not too like bam, or Outlaw. I think I could do Outlaw, because I want the focus to be on the eyes. But yeah, Kava and Python. This is literally it. And a good black liner. And of course, I'm going to go and clean it up, kind of lift it up a little bit. But you guys will see the final look in a few moments. So, this is the final look. I mean, I really, really dig this look. Tutorial number 11 of the Natasha Denona palette focus. And like I said, these are going to be a little bit more about the one and dones typically. So just Kava and Python for the eyes. Foundation, I went in with the Forever Dior, the 3N, the Demi Matte Finish. And I went ahead and set my face with the Pat McGrath Light Medium 2 Skin Fetish Sublime Perfection setting powder. This is where it got interesting. For bronzer, I went into, what is this one? The Made with Love by Malika Becca's BFF Bronze Blush and Glow palette. And I went ahead and used this bronzer, and I went with this for the blush. And on top of that, I went in with NARS Outlaw as well for the other blush, which is gorgeous. For highlighter, I went on with NARS, the High Voltage highlighting palette, and Fort de France is what I have on for highlighter, which is going to be the middle one, which is gorgeous also. I think I could have gotten away with this one, but it is what it is. Lips is literally just the Lip Cheat Reshape and Resize Lip Liner and Love Trap on the outer edges, and Pat McGrath's Opulous Lip Gloss and Pale Fire Nectar. And brows are still the Benefit brow thingy that I'm still using, number 6, to really emphasize the brows. But for the most part, tutorial number 11, I love this setting spray, Charlotte Tilbury's Airbrush Flawless Setting Spray. Concealer, actually, I went in with my Dior Luminizer Flash in 003, and then on top of that, I went in with Charlotte Tilbury's Vanish Color Corrector in number 2, I think it is, Big Denke, 2 medium? 2 medium, and then I went in with the Beautiful Skin Radiant Concealer, 8.5 medium. That's what I have on for concealer. But for the most part, I love this look. Like I said, very, very sultry, very James Bond, vixenesque, per se. But yes. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Like, these next tutorials are going to be pretty simple and fast. So, I will see you guys next tutorial. Oh, go to my Instagram page if you want to see the final edits of these videos, of these looks. And yeah, happy 2025, because I know this is going to be posted in January, most definitely. I'll see you guys next video.